There we go. Get your grip. And just like that. It's out. Really long. That looks nice. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. Okay. There's no ball head for this? That's odd. Okay. Well, remember, I'm gonna pull this out like that. Slide you up in. Slide you down. Slide the shaft in there. Just like that. Bam. Get this metal plate. Put it in like that. Then put the bushing in there. Unlike many things, we're just going to use a vice grip, just like that. When it comes to sway bar lengths, there is no real torque spec. You just tighten until these bushings puff out to towards the metal. So I'll show you in a second. Just like that. You can see it's nice and flush. Nice and flush, nice and flush, nice and flush. And just like that, we are done.